Okay, so let's see how it is 1 month after Schengen. Yeah, we are crossing from Hungary to Romania. Obviously we are taking this lane for trucks. We are slowing down. Oh look, you cannot go forward just like that. Like everyone are going here. Okay, look at this. Maybe it's going to be nice free flow, you know, later on. I don't know where to go. Like, should we go there, like other? No. There are trucks, okay. Like the far end gate. Yeah, those gates here are closed. And only one gate is open. Whoa, for trucks. Oh my god. We need to slow down even more because yeah, tarmac is not good. Oh. No border officers, you know, that's so weird. But yeah, they are there, you know, they are looking at me. Okay. Yeah, we should turn like probably left, but oh shit, we are not going to fit here. We have to take this. Unfortunate, because there is a oversized load, you know, and I was afraid that I'm not going to fit. Okay, I will just put that we are in Romania. Give me a second. Oh shit, we have to find it. Okay, Romania. Okay, let's go. And here it is probably the same. Let's see. Last time I was driving here, so this time we go here. We'll see what is happening here. Is this wait area working or I guess it's working. Okay. Because there are, you know, lights. He's waiting for a green light. Or like, what? Okay. So probably we can go just like that. I don't know, you know. We'll see. Let's see. Okay, the lady was waving for us to go. Okay. I don't know if it's working. Maybe they are just, you know, I don't know. But yeah, that's the end of the border. Because right here we are just, you know, entering highway in Romania. Welcome to Romania. So yeah, can we go? Yes, we can. Here you have it. Schengen border 1 month after, yeah, because we have February. Okay, let's see later on how it's going to progress, what they will do here. And right now we are crossing Romania.